Friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for imparting us the act of public speaking. I am Faizan Azza. I belong to Muzaffarpur, Bihar. I am pursuing Jamaat-e-Salsa. My madrasa name is Jamia Amjadiya Radhawiyya. I am learning English speaking in the month of Ramadan 2024 from Global School English. I want to start in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. I am going to practice active voice and passive voice. Present indefinite tense. I go, I don't go, do I go, do I not go, why do I go, why do I not go? And singular. He goes, he doesn't go, does he go, does he not go, why does he go, why does he not go? Past indefinite tense. I went, I didn't go, did I go, did I not go, why did I go, why did I not go? And future indefinite tense. I will go, I won't go, will I go, will I not go, why will I go, why will I not go? And present continuous tense. You are going, you are not going. Are you going, are you not going? Why are you going, why are you not going? And past continuous tense. You are playing, you are not playing. You are playing, you are not playing. Were you playing, were you not playing? Why were you playing, why were you not playing? And the future continuous tense. I will be speaking, I will not be speaking, will I be speaking, will I not be speaking, why will I be speaking, why will I not be speaking? And present perfect tense. You have spoken, you have spoken, you have not spoken, have you spoken, have you not spoken, why have you spoken, why have you not spoken? And next, past perfect tense. You had spoken, you had not spoken, had you spoken, had you not spoken, why had you spoken, why had you not spoken? And future perfect tense. You will have spoken, you will not have spoken. Will you have spoken? Will you not have spoken? Why will you have spoken? Why will you not have spoken? Next, present perfect continuous tense. You have been learning English for 2 months. You have not been learning English for 2 months. Have you learning English for 2 months? Have you been learning English for 2 months? Have you not been learning English for 2 months? Why have you been learning English for 2 months? Why have you not been learning English for 2 months? Next, past perfect continuous tense. You had been learning English. You had been learning English for 2 months. You had not been learning English for 2 months. Had you learning English? Had you been learning English for 2 months? Had you not been learning English for 2 months? Why had you been learning English for 2 months? Why had you not been learning English for 2 months? Next, future perfect continuous tense. You will have been learning English for 2 months. You will not have been learning English for 2 months. Will you have been learning English for 2 months? Will you not have been learning English for 2 months? Why will you have been learning English for 2 months? Why will you not have been learning English for 2 months? And months. Next, passive voice. Present indefinite tense passive voice. English is spoken by him. English is not spoken by him. Is English spoken by him? Is English not spoken by him? Why is English spoken by him? Why is English not spoken by him? Next, for past indefinite passive voice. English was spoken by him. English was not spoken by him. Was English spoken by him? Was English not spoken by him? Why was spoken English by him? Why was English not spoken by him? Next, future indifferent passive voice. You will be English will be spoken. English will not be spoken. Will English be spoken? Will English not be spoken? Why will English be spoken? Why will English not be spoken? Next, present continuous passive voice. English is being spoken. English is not being spoken. English being spoken? Is English not being spoken? Why is English being spoken? Why is English not being spoken? Next, past continuous passive voice. English was being spoken. English was not being spoken. Was English being spoken? Was English not being spoken? Why was English being spoken? Why was English not being spoken? And next, present perfect passive voice. I have taught. I have not been taught. Have I been taught? Have I not been taught? Taught. Why have I been taught? Why have I not been taught? And next, past perfect passive voice. I had been taught. I had not been taught. Had I been taught? Had I not been taught? Why had I been taught? Why had I not been taught? And future perfect continuous passive voice. Future perfect passive voice. I will have been taught. I will not have been taught. Will I have been taught? Will I not have been taught? Why will I have been taught? Why will I not have been taught? And next, use of can passive voice. I can be taught. I cannot be taught. Can I be taught? Can I not be taught? Why can I be taught? Why can I be not taught? And should, use of should. I should be taught. I should not be taught. Should I be taught? Should I not be taught? Why should I be taught? Why should I not be taught? And could. I could be taught. I could not be taught. Could I be taught? Could I not be taught? Why could I be taught? Why could I not be taught? And use of can activize. Activize. I can go. I can't go. Can I go? Can I not go? Why can I go? I cannot go. Assalamu alaikum.